ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ವಿನ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಪೈಥಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ 5 ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಟರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಆಲ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಗಿವನ್ ಇಟರೇಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಪಾಸ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಈಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದೆಮ್. Syntax map function, comma, iterable, open bracket, yes and close bracket and close flower bracket. Second one ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು filter function. It takes a function object and iterable and it creates a new list. As the name suggests, filter forms a new list that contains only elements that satisfy a certain condition. For example, function we passed return true. So syntax filter, open flower bracket, function, comma, iterable, bracket, s and close bracket and close flower bracket. Third one, reduce function. It works differently than the map and filter functions. It does not return a new list based on the function and iterable we have passed. Instead it returns a single value. So syntax reduce function and sequence, close open square bracket initial, close initial square bracket and close the bracket, right? How to find multiple elements or how we can find more than one element. So we can find the multiple element or more than one element by using class name and tag name. So class name means we used to find the more than one element because there are certain element, class name will be same and class name value also same. There are certain elements. For example, there are 5 buttons same and ID will be different, name will be different. All buttons belongs to one category, that category based on the class. So tag name also like this only, guys. And the difference between list and tuple. Lists are mutable, tuples are immutable. List is a container to contain the different types of objects and it is used to iterate the objects, and list iteration is a slower and the lists consume more memory, and operations like insertion and deletion are better performed. And syntax like list, open flower bracket, a b c and 1 2 3 close the flower bracket. And tuple, and it is similar to list but contains immutable objects, and tuple processing is faster than list and it consumes less memory and elements can be accessed better. Syntax like tuples a b c and 1 2. What is decorator? Decorator is just a function that can take another function as an argument and add some kind of functionality and then returns another function. All of this without altering source code of the original function that you are passed in. How memory managed in Python? It involves a private heap that containing all Python objects and data structures. Interpreter takes care of Python heap and that programmer has no access to it. And the allocation of heap space for Python object is done by Python memory manager, and the core API of Python provides some tools for a programmer to code reliable and more robust program. And the Python also has a built-in garbage collector which recycle all unused memory. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸಿಗೂ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ವೆಂಚನ್ನು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಂದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಗೈಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.